Okay guys, it's 9:19 p.m. and I was standing over my stove eating strawberries after dinner. I had to wash these strawberries. So guys, I used to work at a grocery store that sells fruit. All you need to do, you see how clean they look? All you need to do is with your fruit and vegetables, do like some vinegar and water and just rinse them off real good. That's what we used to do in the grocery store, and it kills all the bacteria. But anyway, so I was up because I wanted to see. This is how spoiled my dogs are. Their daddy got them, this is what he gets from Sam's, this big old bone box, and they get a big old box of bone cookies. And he just leaves them right here, you know, self-serve all day. So I wanted to check on the weather because I had fallen asleep for a second. And it's been raining. Oof, and there's like a sewer smell out here. I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's been raining. Just, you know, not a lot of strong winds yet, just rain, a lot of rain. But nothing, you know, I'm glad we didn't panic today at least. I mean, I don't know what tomorrow may bring. But so far tonight, not a lot of damaging winds as of right now. But we'll see as the night goes on because they gave us a 36-hour warning. But anyway, just wanted to check in because I promised I was going to do this video. Alright, bye guys. Guys, it is pouring down rain now. It wasn't raining like this earlier. Check it out. So the storm is starting to come in now. Woo, it is pouring down rain. Ooh, getting wet. So, okay. The storm is coming in now. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Can you hear the rain? I hope you can. It's like a roar. We heard like a big old, like lightning and thunder. Boom, boom, and then it just started pouring down rain. We have this little net right here because we had some birds come make a nest and we were scared the nest was gonna fall. So RJ put some netting right there. So that's, and every year they come back and nest right there in the spring. But you see the wind has knocked down the netting. I gotta fix that because I don't want my little birds to get in trouble. But yeah, guys, it's coming down now. It's raining. I told my husband, I was like, get the boat ready just in case we got to get in the boat and we got to go make sure the paddles are in there. Hey, I love this kind of weather. It's beautiful though. You see this hill? This is like a hill. The water comes straight down like that. But RJ's put in these, he has drainage. These are the black tubes that go to the back of the property. So the water, when it comes down the hill, it goes into this grate and it goes all the way off the property. But yeah, and it's so nice. Guys, this phone that because I upgraded my iPhone to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is like, I think it just got released, but I got mine early because it was like this thing, because my other iPhone was in such good condition that I got like an upgrade for like an additional $16 a month on my bill. I was like, and I asked my husband, he said, yeah, you know, because I needed the memory for the videos, because I wanted to make longer videos. But yeah. Okay, so the rain is coming in, and it is 10 o'clock right now, around 10 o'clock, so we'll see what happens. I'll keep updating. It calmed down when I came out here, but it was like roaring, like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. What you doing, baby? What you doing? You waiting on mama? No. Get back, big boy. They always looking for the cat. Tango, want a cookie? Tango, come get cookie. Get cookie. You want cookie? Get your cookie. No? Good morning, everybody. This is day 2 of, I don't know, the hurricane, I guess. Hurricane Helene. It's raining still. It's been raining off and on. Last night was very hit. Look at Tango out there. Tango he loves bad weather. Look at him. Tango! What you doing? Getting all wet. Hurry up. Yeah, I'm talking to you, fatty. You're standing in the rain. Come on. So it's been raining off and on. It's supposed to get bad like I think it's at like 2 or 3 o'clock. So today is Thursday, the 26th. Thursday the 26th, and it is 12 o'clock noon. So it's been raining. Birds are still singing. So we'll see what happens. No flooding. I gotta get these dogs in here. They run into the rain. Guys, it's still raining. It's 4 o'clock. It is still raining. Here's the window from my office. It's still coming down pretty heavy, off and on, but no heavy winds, so that's nice. But yeah, a lot of rain. So guys, this is how I always know there's bad weather. When Sierra gets under my desk, because she can't stand bad weather, so she comes in here and hides. So it is, okay guys, it's 2 a.m. Friday morning. The hurricane is here, but all we're getting right now is a whole bunch of rain and wind. And that's it so far. They're saying we should expect some power outages, but you know, it's just been raining really, really hard. I was on the live chat with our local news. They're like up all night. But yeah, there's some people getting hit hard. It's just a whole bunch of rain. Good table. I just wanted to come out and get some footage. Get down, get down. Get down. Give me a bite. I don't know if y'all can hear the rain, but it's just been raining like crazy. You can see the wind blowing like all the trees and stuff. I hope it's picking up the rain sound, because it's pouring, guys. It is pouring crazy. The wind is like way up there. beautiful. All right, go lay down. Thank you. Thank you for going outside. All right, lay down. Lay down, baby. Tango, lay down. Good boy. You're all right, baby girl. You're all right, huh?